Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Ram. So today we are going to see about the volume of sphere, the volume of sphere formula and how we derive the volume of sphere formula. Okay, so this is the volume of sphere formula, that is nothing but 4 by 3 pi r cube. So now we are going to see how we derive this formula, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so let's assume a sphere like this, which is of radius r, which is of radius smaller, and now we are going to divide this sphere into n number of pyramids like this. Okay, n number of pyramids. This might seem like a circle, but it's not. It's a sphere. Okay, it's a three-dimensional sphere. So we are making this sphere into a three-dimensional pyramid like this. Okay, n number of three-dimensional pyramids like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so if you assume this as a pyramid, the height of this pyramid will be r. Yes, obviously the height of this pyramid will be r. Okay, so this is how we got the parameter of this pyramid. H is equal to r. Okay, and the base of the pyramid, okay, the base of the pyramid, let's be d. Okay, so this base forms the circumference, I mean the outer area of the sphere. Okay, which is nothing but the surface area of the sphere. So this base forms the, I mean this surface area forms the base of the pyramid. Okay, so like this we will be having n number of pyramids. Okay, so if we found the value, I mean the volume value of the whole pyramid, we can find the sphere volume of sphere. Okay, so we are having n number of pyramids. Okay, so we want to find the volume of this pyramid, volume of n number of pyramids. Okay, so we know the volume formula of pyramid as we saw in the previous section. Okay, so the volume formula of pyramid is nothing but breadth into height by 3, which is nothing but, in this case, height is nothing but r. Okay, so we will be having base into height by base into r by 3. Okay, so we are having pyramids like this, n number of pyramids. So the first pyramid will be having base 1. We don't know the base of that first pyramid, so we are taking it as b1 into r, which is nothing but the height of that pyramid. So divided by 3 plus b2, which is the base of the second pyramid. Let's take this as the first pyramid, this as the second pyramid. The base of this pyramid will be b2, and the radius and the height of this will be the same as the r. Okay, so r by 3, because r will be same, the height will be same for all the pyramids, whereas the base might differ. Okay, so b3 is equal b3 by r by 3, b3 into r by 3 plus goes on till we will be having bn r by 3. We don't know the number of pyramids that we are having to form a sphere, so we are using n. Okay, so now let's use algebra and take the r and 3 outside. Okay, r by 3 into b1 plus b2 plus b3 goes on till plus bn. So this forms nothing but the whole surface area of the sphere. Okay, so what is the surface area of the sphere? Which is nothing but, I will write over here, which is nothing but r by 3. Surface area of the sphere, which I have written over here, which is nothing but pi r square, 4 pi r square. Okay, which is nothing but 4 pi r square. So how we derive the formula for 4 pi r square, which I have explained in the previous video. So if you want to know this, you can check it that out also. So now we are going to use simple derivation, that is we are going to take 4 outside, 4 by 3 pi r into r square r cube. Okay, this is how we derive the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, now you understand, right? So this is how we derive the formula 4 pi r cube, which is nothing but the volume of sphere formula. Okay, so please try to understand how we derive the formula so that you can make maths interesting. So if you really understand this video, please like this video and share to the friends who don't like maths, and subscribe to my channel for the future content as well. So if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below, and follow me in the Instagram and message me directly to have any conversation about maths or any queries as well. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.